You've probably seen SmileFit Pro ads promising a brighter, smoother smile with professional-grade tooth polishing at home. But before you swipe that card, the big question is SmileFit Pro legit or is it just another fake dental gimmick? Let's break it down. According to its marketing, SmileFit Pro is an at-home tooth polishing tool designed to remove stains, smooth surface roughness, and help you keep your teeth looking whiter and cleaner between dental visits. Ads often show dramatic before and after results with glossy smiles and big confident boosts. Sounds good, but does the product actually deliver results similar to a hygienist's polish? Here's the key thing: professional dental polishing, the kind your dentist or hygienist does, uses specialized tools, controlled abrasives, and trained technique to safely remove plaque and surface stains without harming enamel. At-home polishing devices or pastes can help reduce mild surface stains from coffee, tea, or smoking, but they're not a replacement for professional cleaning, and improper use can damage enamel or irritate gums if too abrasive or used incorrectly. So SmileFit Pro claims professional results at home. That's a bold statement that deserves scrutiny. Most at-home tooth polish products like SmileFit Pro include a rotating or vibrating polishing head, gentle pastes or polishing compounds, and instructions to use for short daily or weekly sessions. The idea is gentle abrasion, tiny polishing particles buffing off mild stains. In moderation, they can visibly brighten surface stains when paired with good brushing, but it's not the same as plaque removal with a scaler or hygienist's professional tools. Importantly, if the formula is too abrasive, it can wear enamel over time. If the device is too harsh, it can irritate gums. Here's what actual users report. Some positive experiences include users that notice mild surface stain reduction after consistency. Teeth look brighter and smoother with regular use, and easy to use and comfortable. However, mixed or negative feedback includes some saw minimal change compared to regular brushing. Others mentioned discomfort or sensitivity, and a few said results weren't dramatic without professional cleaning. This matches what we see with most at-home dental tools. Some benefit from mild stains, but not a flawless professional polish. So is SmileFit Pro real or fake? It's real as a consumer polish tool. It can help reduce light surface stains and polish enamel when used properly, but it's not magic, and it's not a replacement for professional dental care. The bottom line: if you're looking for a gentle stain support between cleanings and follow directions carefully, SmileFit Pro can be worth a try. Just don't expect dramatic dentist level results from a home gadget alone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.